Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mother Bird, also known as Momo. And today I'm playing Halloween special mode because last video I played classic mode. If you guys haven't seen, go watch it first, then you can watch this video. And next video will be Christmas special, so stay tuned. And alright, just let's get right into it. Welcome to Halloween special. 3 levels of pure fun and shooting. Smiley face. Morkwood, sewer, and Halloween. I can't see it. It's Halloween Town. Okay, let's go to Morkwood. I need to get out of here. This place is creepy. Whoa, yo! Oh my lace! Look at that. Oh, there's actually a person in there. Look at their feet. Oh my lace. Do you have a gun? Oh, I start off with no weapon again. Okay. There's some medicine. What's in here? What's that? Oh, there's the... Oh, I have a pistol. And who are you, bro? You're... Oh, my lace. Bro! Wait. The pumpkin can protect their head. Look. Oh no. Oh, that's the door that I came from last video. And now I can't go anymore. Okay. What's right there then? Oh, last video there's a... Oh, they patched it. Oh my lace, who died here? Okay, so I'm supposed to go in there. Oh wait, where? Where should I go? Yo, I'm running so fast. That was so weird. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, I think I should shoot the board? No.
Bruh.
Oh, bruh. Wait, what? Oh, yep, I have to shoot the board, bruh. You know what, I'm gonna just crouch, yeah. Oh, you just spawn in? Are you kidding me? Okay. So their pumpkin protects their head. Look at that. Okay. We gone, bruh. What? How are you not dead, bruh? Get out of here. I just shoot on your... Okay, wherever. Let's just go to the long hallway. And why the chain is just chilling in the wall? Okay. Bro died so slow. Oh my lace. Oh, Momo? Momo? Yo, what's wrong with your face? I can still see your original face. Come here, bro. Why you turning around? Why you're scared, homie? So I thought, look at you. Oh man, Rose died so slow. Okay, I got a bullet. Okay. So, what is that? Yo, is that a shotgun? It's a whole gun. Oh my lace. Oh, bro, chill. Wait, whose dead body is that, bruh? There's a whole dead body in here. Okay, wait. Excuse me. I'ma just jump over. Okay. There's a medic in here. Oh, bro, what? That scared me so hard. Okay, that reloads so good, bro. Can I? Yo, look at me. Okay, what did it say? Okay, just a hand mark. Okay, I can just go in the... They're fighting each other. Look at that. I can just like shoot them from afar. There we go. And last one. Wait, what, bro? Die. There, okay. Nice. What is that? Oh. I know it. I heard something. Bro, Momo, put some clothes on. Okay, there, she's gone. Okay, open up. What a crazy nightmare. What is this? That was a nightmare? Oh, bro. Okay, what's behind this door now? Oh, it's a sewer. Yo, that's what it meant. Oh, my lace. Oh, hello, bro. They can't come up here? Yeah, they can't, bro. I can just... Oh, that dude just fell down. Okay. I can just shoot them from here. I like how the pumpkin split up when you shoot. That is so realistic. Okay, watch the head, bro. Boom! On your head. Look at you, bro. Wait, I'm gonna check in there first. Oh, bro, Momo! Why did I walk on her? Okay, bro. That was weird. Woo! Look at me. That was a dead body. Oh, my lace. Are they doing something like magic to him? Or her? Just them. Okay, what's up, homie? Come here. Oh, I just realized. I think that's another patient in staff. Oh, no. By the way, wait, they make slow-mo when you kill them. That is sick. Is that a bomb? Can I shoot the barrel? Oh, it is a bomb! Yo! I mean gas. If it's a gas, so I can, like, explode the barrel. Yo! What is that? Oh, it's ammo for this gun. And this is for the pistol. So, bro, I just realized it might be the oh, my lace, Momo. What's your okay, there we go. I can just boom, explode it. Look at him. He's a gangster, bro. He's just chilling. Bro. She's attacking her teammate or her soldier. I don't know, bro. Are you kidding me? Momo, turn around now. There we go. I just one-shot her. Who's next? I'm ready. Oh, there's a bullet right there. Oh, wait, they give me 2. Yo. Give me. Oh, that's nothing. Bruh. Woo, Momo. You keep spawning in. Get that. Oh, that was empty. Sup, Momo? You can't come up here? Oh, that is so sad. Look at you. Sup, bro? I'm gonna just shoot in your head. Boom. And boom. And your soldier. Or should I say staff and patient, bro. Look, they made slow-mo. That is sick. Okay. Okay, look at me. I just boost myself so high. What is that? Oh. Lock. Find 2 crystal to unlock the door. Oh, okay. I need to find 2 crystal. Okay. Where is the crystal? Is that it? No, that's a pumpkin. Oh wait, I just realized that's not a bullet. That's a medicine. Why is it so small? Did that? Oh, my lace, Momo. Where were you, bro? Okay, there, nice. So how should I, where, oh! I found a crystal. Give me. Yo, okay. So they can be under the well thing. I don't know what is it called, I forgot. Oh, I was thinking, imagine inside here. Yep, I found it, okay. I got 2. It automatically just placed it, okay. There we go. So now can I open? Oh my legs, it's scared. Bro, how long does it go? It goes so far. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So this could be the edit. Last one. Push. Bro, are you kidding me? Okay. Give me the medikit. I just need to be full health, just in case. Are they coming more? Oh, yep. Okay, okay, okay. Shoot the barrel. Kill Momo. Kill the soldier. Oh wait, this seems like they're fighting to each other. I don't know why. So am I still the mental person? I'm killing staff and patients. So what about Momo? Who is she? Why am I shooting her? Yo, it's like the final boss. Yup, it's the final boss because there's a door in there. Yo, 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 chill, 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 chill. Nice. Okay, Momo. How are you still alive, bro? Get out of here. How is she still alive? Okay. Nice. So just in case, I'ma swap my gun. Okay. There's anything in here. Or there. Okay, let's go to the door. There's a warning sign. Let's go. Collect 6 pumpkin to end this nightmare. Oh, what? Okay. Let's give me some bullets. And then I need to collect pumpkin. So I need 6. Should I shoot their head to get the pumpkin? What is that? Oh, I upgrade my gun. Yo, look. Oh, my lace. Yo, okay. Can I get the pumpkin? Wait, what? Look at that. That's so cool. Okay, I got so much bullet in here. Let me reload this thing and open this door. Should I shoot their head to get the pumpkin? No. So how should I get the pumpkin? Oh, I can what is it called? Shoot spam. Like I can hold the gun. Wait, what? I can shoot. Wait, I can't explain, bro. I can hold the shoot button to spam the bullet. Look at that. Yo, that is sick. Like I'm in a movie. What is that? Bullet. And another bullet. And another bullet. Okay, nice. Why is that? Should I shoot it? I'm scared, bro. I might die. Nothing, bruh. Oh, what is that? Pumpkin? Bullet, bruh. Lock. Find the key. What? Is it gonna be in the barrel? No, because it will explode. Oh, my lace. It was just right there. Oh, bro. It was under here. Are you kidding me? Okay, I got it. Unlocked it. And what's up, homie? Oh, my lace, bro. Okay. Hello? Is that Momo? That's not Momo. Okay, I'm searching. Okay, I'm have to keep my eyes open to see what am I missing before I go to the other room. Oh, I found it. Okay, let me get it. Should I shoot it? Oh. Momo! Oh, she's attacking the soldier, bro. I should shoot the pumpkin to get it. Okay, I got 1. And I just need 5 more. Alright, let's... Oh! I'm outside, yo! Finally, it's day outside. Is that pumpkin? Does it count? No, okay. It needs to have like the candle melt. Oh, what is that? What is this? Is this a zombie hand? Wait, so that means I can like act like I'm a zombie? Wait, why do I have a zombie hand? Oh, I found the pumpkin. Oh, that's the wrong one, never mind. Yo, I can attack. Oh, I can just jump here. Yep. Um. Yep, I can just skip it. Yes. Okay. Okay, should I go in here? I'm scared. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, nice. Nothing here. Wait, so why I become a zombie? Where's the army? Where's Momo? Momo? Oh, I found the pumpkin. Let's go. Okay, I got it. I got 2 pumpkin. Oh, Momo. Wait, she's still. Oh, bro. Let me switch my gun. Wait, I'm gonna fight this dude with my zombie arm. Come here, bro. Let's fist fight. Look at that. Nice. I got him. Bro. With my hand. Zombie, I guess. What's in here? Bullet. Okay. Bro, is this like... Oh, there's the pumpkin. Wait, I can just shoot from here. Wait, I need to get the good angle. Okay, there was a door here. I almost jumped on the fence. Oh. Bro. What? Whoa. Wait, let me go. Let me run. Go to the graveyard. Oh, wait, the kubur. Go to the coffin. I don't know. There's no coffin inside. Okay, did not a single... Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna make them fall inside. Come here. No. Okay, whatever. Please, there's... Okay. Give me the pumpkin. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, nice. I got it. Whoa! Momo! What were you doing, Momo? Come here. I have like a whole gift for you. There we go. Let's go. Oh, he almost made it, bro. Let me shoot Momo first. Hey, I just killed somebody and buried him. Okay, nice. So now what? Oh, there's a coffin. There is a coffin. Graveyard. Yeah. Oh wait, I found another pumpkin here. I can't get it. I need to actually go in there, but I don't know how to go. Don't tell me I have to jump. Oh wait, in here, bro. Okay. Give me. Oh, so I just have to walk, bro. Okay, nice. Ooh, there's another one there. Okay, I have to go all around in this house. Okay, got it. Nice. There'll always be a zombie coming for me. Bro, who are you, man? What are you doing? Why there's so much in one place? Actually, there are only 3. Wait, why am I using the pistol, bro? Let me use the... Yeah, this gun. Oh, what's up, bro? Wait, what? You can go through the fence? Oh, wait, the... I don't know what it's called. The gate. The metal gate, I think. Oh! Yep, it is. Okay. Wait, no way. There's no way I'm going inside. That means I'm dead? Um, what just happened? Alright, so the game somehow crashed, but I got back in here. So here's the last pranking. Alright, what happened right now? I don't know what's wrong. Just stop. Actually, that was an actual ending. It's just a whole black screen, and that's it. I complete the Halloween mode. That's all. I don't know why. Just like there's a sound effect of zombie to end the nightmare. I don't know. Just this is how the ending goes. Just a black screen. I thought I crashed like Granny. So I tried it again for nothing, bruh. Well, that's it all for today's video. Yeah, it's only more quid. That's the door that I came from, and then I went to the sewer, and then the Halloween town. So that was actually cool, and it was a lot of like intense, like scary jump scares. A little bit jump scare. I didn't got that much scare. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll play the Christmas special, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.